In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $527 a day. All you have to do is copy this free email marketing funnel. This is email marketing for beginners tutorial. We're going to do this in 3 easy steps, but before we get there, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button because I'm going to be making more videos of how to make money online, and believe me, you don't want to miss them. And if you know me by now, you know I'm not going to try to sell you a course. There's nothing here for me to sell you. There is no email marketing course that I'm going to sell you. So it's all free, as you know by now. All I want you to do in return is just subscribe, drop a like, and make sure to hit that notification bell. Let's get started. Okay, here's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about email marketing for beginners, affiliate marketing funnel. And you're probably wondering, what is it going to include? Number one, it's free email autoresponder software. So I'm going to give you a free email autoresponder software. Number two, how to build an email marketing for beginners. You're going to watch me build it automatically live in front of you. We're going to build a bridge page, landing page, and then we're going to connect it to the sales affiliate page. Now, before we continue, I want to make sure you understand what is email marketing is all about. A lot of people underestimate it. Number one, email marketing is one of the most important type of direct marketing ever, and I put ever in red. Number two, it has the highest return on investment. You can expect on average return of $42 for every $1 you spend. So that's 4,200% return on your investment. Number three, email marketing is the most effective for online marketing. Number four, email marketing connect and communicate with your audience or prospects or existing customers. Okay, so we're going to talk right now about the email marketing for beginners funnel strategy steps. Step number one, how to create a free email marketing funnel for beginners that works with any social platform. I'm talking about any social media platform. Number two, how to create money-making email marketing strategy funnel with a conversion rate over 40%, because if you don't convert, might as well don't do it. Number three, what free email marketing software to use to create free email marketing funnel for beginners. Step number one, how to create free email marketing funnel for beginners that works with any social media platform. Email marketing for beginners funnel overview. Now I'm gonna go over that. The idea is very simple, is to grab something that you want to sell, for example, from, let's say, Digistore 24 or ClickBank. And then what you're gonna do is you wanna advertise it maybe on Pinterest, put some pins and get some free traffic. After that, you want to create a bridge page, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to create a bridge page, then we're going to create an opt-in page, and then we're going to direct all that to the affiliate sales page. Step number two, how to create money-making email marketing strategy funnel with conversion rate over 40%. Don't worry about the other stuff. I'm going to show you step by step how it's done, but these points and these steps that I'm showing you right now are so important to your success, and if you understand them more than the other affiliates, then you have them beaten. Okay, the amateur conversion model, and this is a problem that I get from almost every affiliate marketer. A lot of them, they send me some correspondence telling me the same thing. Here's what it is. They send the traffic, they go maybe to a, let's say, Pinterest or a social media platform, and then what they do is that they direct that person, they put a link in a post, for example, to direct them to affiliate sales page directly. Well, you know what? Your account is going to be shut down, and you cannot do that. You cannot do that anymore. Now, typical model, but still for amateurs. For example, they get a traffic from, let's say, social media, and then they do an opt-in, and then they send them straight to the sales page. Nonetheless, this is not a very good idea. There's a lot of reasons why that I'm going to explain later on, and do not miss it. If you miss it, then it's going to be an issue for you trying to make money online through email marketing or through free social media traffic. Email marketing top conversion model. There is a top conversion model that I'm going to explain to you right now. The way you want things to happen are the following. You get traffic from any social media, for example. Then what happens? After that, you are sending them to the bridge page. Now, you probably wonder, a bridge page? What is a bridge page? I'll tell you here in just a little bit. A bridge page is not the same as opt-in page. This is the opt-in page. Now, we send them to a bridge page, opt-in page, and inside the opt-in page, when they opt in, then what happens? They go into the email autoresponder, and then they start receiving emails that you actually put in your email autoresponder to be sent in a certain days. Now, remember, on the bridge page, there is no opt-in. Why am I doing that? Because the sophistication of the social media platforms, now they are going from just being nice people, because a lot of affiliate marketing people are spamming all over the place. So what they are doing right now, social marketing and media, what they're doing is they're going into the next page to check it out. And sometimes if you have your opt-in page, some of them, what they're doing is very simple. They opt into your page and see if you are taking people to an affiliate sales page, and they don't like that. So what you do, we put in the opt-in page after the bridge page, and then we put the affiliate sales page at the end. Why? Because we want to get as far as possible from the social media platform. This has a conversion rate of 40%. So if you want to be successful, you need to go after this one right here. Step number 3, what free email marketing software to use to create free email marketing funnel. The reason I'm saying that, because we're going to do a little hack. Most people, the way they do their advertisement for or free traffic, what they do is let's say they go on Pinterest, they put a pin, and then that pin, when you click on it, it takes you to probably a more than likely blog or a website, and sometimes to some kind of a sales page that is on their website. So the new affiliate marketer does not have the time, money, resources to sit there and create blogs and create sophisticated websites and things like that. So we're going to do a little hack, and I'm sure you're going to like it. This is where we're going to create the hack that I was talking to you about just a little while ago. And this page, I'm going to give that to you, so don't worry about it. I don't want you to stop everything and go look at it, because you're going to have plenty of time to do that. Because if you do, you're going to confuse yourself. Then you're going to have a lot of questions, get confused, frustrated, and things like that. So watch this right now, then we can do it all together. So this page right here will be available to you, and this is how we are going to create our own hack funnel. A lot of people don't know how to do it, but I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Before we go any forward, I just want to make sure that you understand what you are going to get. Now, this email or this email autoresponder, which is ConvertKit, this has got nothing to do with limited time. In other words, this is not good for just 14 days or 1 month. No, you can manage up to 1,000 subscribers. If you go above 10,000, then they will charge you. Now, this is zero. What's included in it? It's unlimited landing pages and forums, unlimited traffic, and customizable domain, email broadcast sending, subscriber tagging, sell digital products, free build and launch courses. All this is free. Anything else that is not in here, probably not free, but this is all free. Okay, right now we're going to talk about the email marketing strategy funnel steps. So I'm going to take you step by step to show you exactly how to do everything. Now we're going to start with the bridge page. So what are we going to do right now? We are going to go to this page right here. Like I mentioned before, we're going to go and pick a funnel, and we're going to start from here. So the best way, it depends on what you are selling. I don't know what you are selling. So I'm just going to do it on a product that we are marketing right now, and that's what I'm going to do it on. The best way to do it, as far as when you are creating the bridge page, and again, this is a bridge page, not an opt-in page. There's a reason why. In case you missed it, go back and try to find out exactly why I'm saying that. I'm going to click this one right here, you click on choose, and you're going to end up right here. Now the first thing is that, of course, you might not like this image right here. It's very easy. So all you got to do, click on the image one time, then you're going to face with this. It says replace. You can edit, you can replace, click on replace. Then you'll have some options. One of the options, you can upload your own image, go to Unsplash, which it has a lot of stuff that you can actually use. When you click on Unsplash, you can also go to Instagram as well. So I'm gonna pick this one right here. If you notice, it just put it inside this perfectly. What I'm talking, it put it inside the bridge page perfectly without me doing anything. I don't have to mess with the image. Based on what you are selling, obviously, you want to make it kind of look similar, kind of like make sense. Now I'm going to go ahead and change it so you'll see what I'm talking about. Okay, as you can see right now, I changed it. I put some information and I gave a little tease about secrets, and I put in, send me the video, because a lot of people like videos, they don't like blogs, some of them don't like to read. So the best thing is to do this. So let's go back to right now. We created what? We created the bridge page. This is a bridge page. Just want to let you know, this is not an opt-in page. There's no place here for you to put in an email address, or for the prospect to put in an email address. All right, so we created the bridge page. Now what are we going to do right now? We're going to create the landing page, or the opt-in page, so to speak. So let's go ahead and do that together. As you can see, we did this right here, and it looks like this. So what you do, if you are in here and you made your changes, you click to edit step number 2. You click on it. Obviously, this is the image that you want to change. You click on it and you do the same thing like you did before, or if you still have it, it probably show up right here, and you can click on it. Now this is the opt-in page. This is where people put in their email address. So this is important, and this is the opt-in page. They cannot do that in the bridge page. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change that right here. Now this is the opt-in page that I have changed. I put in some information in here, and I put in the email address. Now they're going to ask you where you want to send this email address, which we're going to cover here in the next step. Now the third step that we're going to talk about is how to connect to affiliate sales page. All right, just want to let you know that I'm gonna do it on Digistore 24. Now what you do is to promote. It asks you here, you want to promote this link. This is the product that I am promoting, for example, and you can just click on this and you can copy it, let's say right here. Then you would go, and what we're going to do right now, we're going to create the sales page. So when somebody put in their email address, two things are happening. One of them is that their email address is going to your ConvertKit free account. And then the second thing that is happening is taking them straight to the sales page. And I just want to mention a few things about this. When you want to do that, you click on settings, for example, then you would click to tell them, okay, where you want them to go. You want to click on redirect to external page. So the best way to do it is to put your own website, but right now I'm gonna put something different. I'll put in my thing right here. Then you click on save. So let's go ahead and test everything. So what we have here right now, we have the bridge page. This is not an opt-in page. This is basically a tease for people to say, yeah, I want to see that video. So what they do is they click on here, I want to see the video, show me the video. Then what's going to happen here, they're going to have to put in their email address. So here we go. It took us straight to what? This is the affiliate sales page. That's all it is. It went straight automatically. I didn't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything. This is the product that people will see. For example, when they click on this, they can hear the video. On top of that, there are a lot of other stuff in here as well. So in case somebody wants to read, they can read. So what we did, Okay, so here's what we did. This is email marketing for beginners. This is the funnel overview that we just did. And you saw me live right now. I did all this. Now, what I did first is I picked a product. After that, I picked a social platform, and you can choose anything you want to. If you want something specific, you can go and watch one of my videos that tells you exactly how to do it. We created a bridge page, and that happens when people click on this right here on a social media platform, which is, let's say it's a pin, and then they go to bridge page. We sent them to the opt-in page, and then what happened after that? They ended up in the affiliate sales page, and you saw it live. I mean, you saw it right in front of me. So there is no doubt that it works. Okay, it does work. I sent you to a real product. Please don't have any doubts. So in case you have any questions, please let me know. But we're not finished yet. Okay, so you saw me do it exactly in front of you, and it was live. It just went smoothly. Now, what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to give you something that is going to give you an edge over other affiliates. If you want to be different than other affiliates and become successful, so it's very easy. You have to do things that other affiliates don't do. This is called targeted traffic in 24 hours. In other words, you would receive a targeted traffic to whatever you are selling within 24 hours. This is in addition to what you already have. Now you have, let's say, Pinterest, and you have the 24-hour targeted traffic. Don't worry about that. I'm going to put a link in the description. It is also has a discount for you. I managed to do that. You are sending people to the bridge page, but what happens is that you are sending free and you're sending people who are targeted, because as we all know, the laws of free traffic is slow. I hope you understand that, you know that. So don't expect if you did 1 post or 3 posts, you're going to have people just buying left and right. It just doesn't work that way. So that's why you need that boost. And if you want to succeed as an affiliate marketer in email marketing, this is exactly what you need to do, because these are good email marketing tips that you should have. After that, what happens, it goes to the opt-in page, and then it goes to the affiliate sales page. So what we are doing right now, we are doing extra stuff that other affiliates don't do. And if you want to reach success much faster, this is what you need to do. Obviously, it's up to you whether you want to do it, you don't want to do it. It's up to you. It's available. I'll put it in the description area. Take advantage of it, because you're going to get prospects that are interested in your product that you are selling. If you want to learn everything about ClickBank, how to start a ClickBank, check out this course right here. This is a complete course. If you want to learn how to start affiliate marketing, click here. And as usual, I will see you at the top.